Hey there, Dave driving in Sarny across the country, and I might sound a little bit weird to you in this video. Hey, so as you know, Yoko and I have been traveling for about the past month from the East Coast to Colorado, Utah, Idaho, Wyoming, every place out west. And I had this idea. Well, for the past many years, I just felt my teeth were getting a little bit dark. And so the other day in a Walmart, I went in and picked up a tooth whitening kit. Now, I'll share with you exactly what I'm doing and the results I hope to get, but by the time this trip is over, I hope to have like sparkling, and sorry I'm talking a little weird because I'm bleaching right now. But gee, it's a little weird. But but by the time we're done, my teeth are going to be like incredibly white. But so I went into Walmart. They had a whole bunch of different types of whitening kits, and I got one by Rembrandt. It was like $3.50. Now they had some that were $30 and $40 also. As a former practicing dentist, I know that pretty much they use the same chemical formula, give or take, in all these. So they're all pretty much the same. So for me, there's no reason at all to spend $40 on a kit when I can get the same results from something that $3 or $4 at Walmart. Now, if you go to another store, I'm not sure how much they will be. So it's real simple. It comes with, it says you're done in 1 week. It comes with a bunch of these packets. You rip them open. You stick a custom little sticky plastic thing with the material on it on your bottom teeth, on your top teeth. You're not supposed to do a whole lot of talking. You're supposed to just rest there, although I'm talking, but it's okay. I know how to keep it controlled and in. And at the end of, I set my timer on my iPhone for 30 minutes. And once 30 minutes is up, take them out, take them off, and I do it twice a day. After only a couple days, I'm actually noticing a tremendous difference in the whitening of my teeth. So, my point is, you can whiten your teeth anywhere. I'm doing it on a hippie road trip in our van, in our RV van with my wife Yoko. Yoko, shine the, put it on you so people can see who you are, real quick. There's Yoko. She's my camera person because I promised I'd look straight ahead at the road and be safe while I'm driving. It's really rare that we would ever do a video while I'm driving, but I promise you I'm looking straight ahead. But at the same time, my teeth are getting whiter and whiter and whiter. Now, one thing before I go, I'm 63 years old. I do not want to have bright white teeth because it would look too fake, but a couple shades lighter than they were previously is totally fine, and I think it'll just look a lot better on me. So that's my story. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. As I said, I am a licensed dentist, although I do not practice dentistry anymore. I'm still a licensed dentist. I can answer your questions. I can help you with now. I can help you with. I was going to say, don't start asking me like all these esoteric dental questions, but anything about whitening or anything, I'm happy to answer. It's okay. I won't charge. No charge. It's my pleasure to help you out in return for you following me and Yoko and our cat Boo Boo, who's sleeping in the back. It's my little present for following us on our road trip across the United States of America in our RV van. Thanks so much. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I think it's somewhere right around here, right there. Hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, after I finished making the video, I thought a couple things that I wanted to make sure I included. First of all, I wanted to show you, I was driving so I couldn't show you, but here's what the kit looks like right here by Rembrandt. These are strips. So if I can take one out and show you what it looks like. I'm not going to open the foil package, but inside each foil package there's a strip that comes with it, and it's kind of like sticky on one side, and you just kind of put it up against your teeth, and it stays very, very, very well. And you do that on the top and the bottom. It's best if you dry your teeth off first because it sticks better. So this is what I recommend. Again, I don't have any stake in this company. I just pulled it off of the shelf of Walmart, and I'm thinking it's going to be very good. Secondly, when you go into the store to buy these, there's all kinds of like tooth whitening toothpastes. In my opinion, also as a dentist, I think those are kind of bogus. They're not going to give you the whitening that a strip that stays on your teeth for 30 minutes. Not going to give you nearly that type of whitening. They might, it's possible they might help, the toothpaste might help a tiny bit, but I don't think they're that good. I think you got to go with an actual whitening kit with strips that stay adhered to your teeth. Hope this helps. Again, I'm happy to answer any questions that you may have as we continue our journey in our RV across the United States of America. See ya.